Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up a gang sheet in Adobe Illustrator. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and click New File, and we're going to do a custom size gang sheet. So you would just enter your gang sheet size. Typically they're 22 inches wide, so you can do 24, 48, 60, 120. How big your gang sheet is, you would put it in that spot. So today we're going to do 22 by 24, and be sure to click all of these default settings, transparent, CMYK color. These will get your artwork ready for DTF printing. Always want 300 DPI for the best, highest quality settings. Once all of that is ready, always make sure that's in inches as well. We'll go ahead and hit create. And that's going to give you the 22 by 24 artboard. I like to show my rulers, so you would go ahead, go to view, down to rulers, and hit show rulers. So it's going to put the actual numbers at the top to show you how big your gang sheet is. So you'll see 0 through 22 and down 0 to 24. So let's go ahead and add insert your images. Make sure your images are high resolution before putting them on your artboard. So if you hit open, they will open up in different tabs. So you can see that's your original artboard, and these are your images you imported. So you can copy and paste onto your artboard. You can either do it through the file or through the right click. So here we go. Go to our next one. File, it's edit, copy, and then paste. Right click, paste. So either way you decide to copy and paste your images. Also, there's a way that you can click and hold and drop it into that artboard. So then you can arrange them on your gang sheet. And there's also a drag and drop option. You go to your images, highlight the ones you need, grab it, drop, drag and drop, and they'll put them right in there. Size and arrange. So be sure to size your images to whatever dimensions you may need. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to leave them at what they are. But if you're doing adult size, kid size, be sure to size them right there. And then I'm going to hit the transparent background just to double check they all have transparent background and there's no solid backgrounds. So go ahead and hit that again. And we're ready to export. So we're going to go to File, Export As. All right, we can just name it whatever we need to name it. This is our test gang sheet. Always make sure that we save it to our downloads folder. PNG format is great. Use artboard. It's going to put that artboard around your gang sheet. Always do 300 DPI, our optimize, transparent background, and go. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and open it back up. Oh, it's saved into the downloads. Open it back up, and that is our test gang sheet right there. Let's go ahead and open it up and we can see what it looks like when it's fully exported. This is your final DTF gang sheet. Alright, and as you can see, it's saved as a solid DTF gang sheet at a 22 by 24. And this file is ready to submit to your DTF provider, whoever that may be. See on the side, that is a 22 by 24 gang sheet.